What's going on, guys? Alright, so I'm gonna be doing a full day of eating video. I haven't done one of these in a very long time, but we're gonna get started. We are gonna head to the gym right now. So it is 11:45. I haven't eaten anything yet today. I'm gonna have a fruit by the foot and a Monster Zero from a pre-workout meal. And then today's legs, and I only got about 5 hours of sleep last night, so I'm praying today's leg day goes over well. I'm probably gonna film it too. I don't know, should I include leg day in this video?
Some, yeah.
I'll include some of the leg footage in this video so you guys can check out what I'm doing. Lots of lunges, lots of leg press, you know how it is. Some volume. Today is my hypertrophy day. And yeah, so I will see you at the gym. All right, so I just warmed up. I'm gonna be doing 5 sets of 15 lunges per leg, so 15 each side with 60s. All right, so we just got done at the gym. I got one of these. ABB Pro 50. It's 2.5 fat, 9 carb, and 50 protein because we don't have a lot of food at our house, so hitting my protein today is gonna be hard, but this will help because it's 50 grams right there. They don't taste very good. They taste very metallic-y. I've never had cookies and cream, so I'll let you know how it tastes, but today was a hard workout, guys. 5 hours of sleep, no food except for a fruit by the foot.
And
don't do that.
What?
No, don't be like me and just eat a fruit by the foot. That's...
Oh, I was like, don't do.
I mean, I do sometimes eat just fruit by the foot, but not like at noon. Usually I'll have a fruit by the foot and we work out earlier than noon, like at 9, and then it's fine. I have good workouts, but that's because I've slept. Anyway, we're gonna head to the grocery store to get some stuff.
I'm crashing.
And then probably just watch Netflix and cook food and chill and...
I'm done.
Find a show.
I'm dying.
If you guys have a favorite show in mind that you would want us to watch and that's good, please make sure it's good. Let me know in the comments below because we are out of shows and struggling. We're in show purgatory. I don't like being in purgatory. Alright. I'll let you know how this tastes when I drink it.
So we have a review.
It tastes like I'm eating aluminum.
See, I have to give it to him though. He, like, if he doesn't like something, he will still eat it or drink it. Whereas me, if I don't like it, I will not. I won't. I refuse.
It's all about the protons, man.
I can't do it. I won't do it. I refuse.
Gotta hit them proteins.
I refuse to do it. So
it's actually, it's pretty bad. Just got home from the gym and the grocery store. We're gonna have an awesome meal tonight. So, Publix here in Florida has my hometown of Cincinnati, Ohio, Skyline Chili. It is the most amazing thing in the world. So, I'm gonna have a package of this. Now, the macros on it, horrible. But I fit it in anyway. Boom. The macros on this are... Let's see. Come on, you little mother. Don't look at the... So here are the macros. 17 fat per serving, 6 carbs per serving, and 27 protein per serving. 2 servings, I'm gonna have the entire package. So I wanna give you guys a little info on what I'm doing. Like my current macros, what they are. So right now I'm just kind of maintaining my weight. I'm weighing 186. And the reason I'm doing that is because I wanted to bulk, but because we got the thing, we're gonna be on TV and traveling, I gotta kind of like stay pretty lean year round. So that's what I'm doing. I'm maintaining, and then 2 weeks before each competition, I just do a mini cut, and then I go back up like a little surplus when I'm done with that in between each event. So there's like 4 weeks in between each event that we go to and film for. So my strength has improved. I hit 300 on bench one time like a month ago. I haven't been able to hit it since. I've been feeling some like elbow pain. But my goal is in 6 months to still hit 315. So get stronger, kind of stay around the same weight, but just get stronger. And it'll work, you know. And then once we're done filming in February, I'm gonna do a bulk, a very lean bulk, to gain some size and some strength, because that's what I wanna do, is get a little bigger and a little more cut when I cut and stronger. That's my main goal, is get stronger. So I'm gonna up my macros. My macros right now, today, I'm eating about 2,600 calories, and I'm around 280 carb, 60 fat, and 210 protein. That's my current macros, and I've been sticking around 186, 185 for the past couple weeks at that. So I'm gonna stick to that and see where it goes from there. So right now, let me just cut. I don't wanna walk all the way back over there. So right now I'm having just some flavored water and creatine, plus that protein shake that you guys saw, which was not very good. It's kind of messing with my stomach a little bit, but I'll show you the water, because the water is awesome. Tastes delicious. So here's the water I've been drinking. They're like sparkling ice. This one is strawberry watermelon, and it tastes amazing, but I have to drink it a little bit because when you put creatine in there, it does some crazy things. some crazy things, and I'm actually gonna. I think I'm gonna film that because it's hilarious. So I'm gonna drink some, like half of it at least. See. Not half of it, but drink that much, put some creatine in there, and then finish it up. And that should hold me over for a while, because that thing, like I said, it's messing up my stomach. He's not right, Charles. He's not right. Because this is going to be fizzy. Watch it not do anything. Like, and it was something else that I put in this last time.
Oh, there we go.
Oh shoot, it's going up! No! Why does it do that? Crazy. I'm gonna have 2 Light and Fit strawberry Greek. Are these strawberry or vanilla? Yeah, strawberry Greek yogurts. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm hurting everywhere. You guys wanna see what Charlie does? Anytime I eat? Yeah, we see you. Creeper. Alright, so I'm gonna start making dinner. It is 6 p.m. I'm starving. We're gonna have some Trader Joe's Italian macaroni. I'm gonna have 2 servings of that. My Skyline chili. 2 servings of fat-free cheddar cheese. I am also gonna have 2 servings of premium oyster crackers. You can't have Skyline without oyster crackers. It's a fact. Talk to anybody from Cincinnati, it's the fact. I don't know how I can forget. We also have some vegetables. Some garlic, asparagus in the mini oven. Gonna cook the crap out of them for all you people. I do eat vegetables. At least 1 serving of fruit, 1 serving of vegetables a day. Although today I didn't get fruit. But my yogurt had strawberries in there. For the win. That's what Skyline looks like, guys. You guys may think it looks disgusting. It has cocoa powder, cinnamon, tons of stuff in there. You guys are probably like, ew, my god, what? And you're putting it on pasta, what? With cheese, what? Crackers, what? Delicious, yeah. So here is the final product. There is 2 servings of fat-free cheese on there. Oh, it's just so pretty. Wait, I'm missing something. Oh. Now it's done. Boom, that is Skyline in a nutshell. That's called a 3-way in Cincy. Get some. All done with my Skyline. Now it's time for my vegetables. These are so freaking good.
I like it a lot. Makes you very tall. Nice. Super. So, I'll show him. Yeah, pass it. She does too. Yeah, I'm ready. Shit's right in dollars.
Solo si lo hacemos con acetona, entonces porque los productos que usamos, o sea, eso tienen que pagarlo. O sea, el tipo de dividido hasta que van a $9 del service charge.
260 grams. That is 4 servings of ice cream, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. It's so good. Ice cream. Gains. Woo! Let me show you my exact macros for the day. They're right here. Uno momento while this phone loads. Alright, let me get it up in here. Okay, so we are at 2,540 calories. Wait a minute. Oh no. Oh no, I forgot to eat that. Ugh! What have I done? Anyway. Here is the Pro Milk nasty thing I had. 2 fruit by the foots, 2 yogurts, my cookie dough ice cream, oyster crackers, mac and cheese, fat-free cheddar, original Skyline. I have to eat 8 ounces of beef. Just 8 ounces of beef. You know what, guys? That's gonna go. And I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna put in its place for protein. Because now I am officially only at 172, so I need like 20, I need 30 some grams of protein. Crap. I'm gonna have 2 cups of chocolate milk. Yes. More meat does not sound good at all, so I'm gonna do chocolate milk. Yay!
Jesus, Lord. What? Drink that faster, please, would you?
I feel terrible. Peace.